When the party ends, Little Wonder is there. You will have the place looking pre-party in no time. For nearly 20 years, we've led the industry in air power technology, providing the best, most powerful suction. And with a clear line of sight to the front of the machine, you will easily see where you're headed. The Little Wonder ProVac comes in push and self-propelled models. Little Wonder's advanced impeller housing design funnels air and material down into the top loading bag, filling it completely without losing suction. And with the biggest bag in the industry, you will suck up twice as much debris before stopping to empty the bag. That's 75 gallons, twice the capacity of other vacs. The Little Wonder ProVac's floating nozzle adjusts automatically to the terrain, avoiding scalping, so there's no need to stop and adjust the nozzle over undulating terrain. The ProVac diverts dust to the ground so you can breathe easily. And the arched padded handle makes any job comfortable. Little Wonder's ProVac gets you in and out with ease. Own that mess with Little Wonder.